The ship sails from the heart in gentle water.
We all needing fuel, are we?
Huh?
We all going to fuel up and have tea or something?
I would think so.
You're not feeling it yet?
Eh?
You're not feeling cramps or anything?
No, not at all, mate.
No, up here.
I am fucking, I'm dying. That's why I didn't want to get, I couldn't get off the bike before I filled it up with fuel.
Do you want water?
I don't know, are we going to go over there for a drink or? Have a cup of tea or something. Right, well here we are, Portugal border. 40k to go till Faro. Absolutely fucked. Sweating my bollocks off, but what a ride, Jesus. Couple of adventures. Funnily enough, I didn't have a camera on one of them and I got lost. Separated from the group, found them 100 kilometres later. How good's that?
Body still don't feel right. It's all in the hips here.
Music on.
Music on.
My leg holds it.
Yeah, come off.
No, it doesn't come off the way.
Have you got a cable tie anywhere?
Hey?
I'm sure they will get this. It's not going to go because I'm going to stop it my leg. What am I going to do?
They try and fall into bits, is it?
No, it's just the tyre pressure, so everything's rattling a little bit.
Oh, alright then. Right, Chris wants your bike next to his so he can get photographs. Oh, fucking then, let's just go. We'll take... I think we're going to take photos there. Everybody's too hot. No, not over where her bike is, at Faro. It's too hot. Let's just get the last bit out of the way and we can get all this crap off then. Well, I thought it was funny. Don't leave me hanging! Don't leave me hanging! You're gonna get a lot of them.
Still no sign of them.
for a fucking hour. Waiting on the slow bikes to catch us up. Look. As you can see up the road, long way up the road, there is no sign of the bikes. Oh, there's a bike. Oh no, that's going too fast for them.
TikTok. Ooh, those two guys who've been passing the van, they're definitely going, they're really good looking. Big
And
beard.
still no bikes. Look, no bikes.
We have resorted to sitting on the side of the road.
I will show you where we are.
Even had to get the chair out. We've got everyone beeping and waving at us. I don't know if they feel sorry or they're taking the piss. Or they just like the two ladies on the side of the road.
Hour number 2. Gary's first.
He got it for you. Ah! There's a green boy.
Oh, it is.
It is, isn't it?
Hey!
Oh!